Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are in place. The TV must support the connection method, and you need the proper cable or network. Plug a USB-C or Lightning adapter into the phone for wired connections, or join the same Wi-Fi for wireless casting. Once done, open your phone's display or casting settings and allow permissions. This prepares both devices to find each other quickly. Make sure battery is sufficient and notifications won't interrupt the process. You choose the method now. For Android, tap Cast in Quick Settings or in Connected Devices. Select the TV name that appears. For iPhone, swipe to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then pick the Apple TV or AirPlay compatible set. For a wired hookup, plug the adapter into your phone and HDMI into the TV, then switch the TV to that HDMI input. Once connected, confirm any PIN or permission prompt on both devices so audio and video streams smoothly. You finish by launching the content and checking audio/video sync. Change TV input and phone volume as needed to optimize playback. If frame rate or resolution looks wrong, adjust app or TV display settings to match the phone's output. To end the session, stop casting from your phone or safely unplug the adapter. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both phone and TV while keeping them on the same network. This clears temporary network and handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.